Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're talking about a huge problem. AI hardware is struggling to keep up. Imagine trying to play the latest AAA game on a 10-year-old PC, it just won't work, right? That's what's happening with AI right now. Artificial intelligence needs a lot of power to work. We're talking massive amounts of data and complex calculations. All of this requires specialized hardware that can handle the load. The problem is, the hardware just isn't ready. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. The demands of AI are growing faster than the hardware can handle. This is leading to some serious issues that we need to address. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of AI hardware and see what's causing this meltdown.
AI is hungry for power, and I'm not talking about the stuff that comes out of the wall. We're talking about raw computing power. The more powerful the hardware, the faster and more efficiently AI can learn and perform tasks. Think of it like training for a marathon. A professional runner needs way more calories than someone just starting out. Similarly, AI needs massive amounts of computing power to process information and make decisions. And just like a growing athlete needs more food, AI needs more powerful hardware as it evolves. The problem is, we're hitting a wall. The current generation of hardware just isn't cutting it anymore. We need faster processors, more memory, and better ways to move data around. Without these upgrades, AI development will hit a bottleneck, and that's bad news for everyone.
Remember the great GPU shortage of 2021? Well, get ready for round 2. The demand for AI hardware is so high that it's putting a massive strain on the global supply chain. We're talking about shortages of everything from GPUs and CPUs to memory chips, and even the raw materials needed to make them. This is causing major delays and driving up prices, making it even harder for companies to get their hands on the hardware they need. It's like trying to build